Sous vide, have you heard of it? It's a cooking technique that utilizes precision temperature control to deliver consistent restaurant quality results. And for serious home chefs, the Anova Precision Cooker is top of the line. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to compare the 3 Anova Precision Cookers: the Standard, the Nano, and the Pro. With the Anova Precision Cookers, you can now cook like a professional and get incredibly delicious results. Nothing better than perfectly cooked steaks, right? You can cook steak, chicken, salmon, and really anything your heart or stomach desires. All you have to do is prepare your food, seal it in a vacuum sealed bag, and immerse it in a tub of water with the Precision Cooker. Then let the device do the rest. Anova has 3 different models that we're going to go over today: the Standard Precision Cooker, the Nano, and the Pro. They are all IPX7 water resistant, which means they can withstand serious home kitchen use, and they all have high fidelity speaker tones to notify you when your meal is done. Both the Nano and the Standard stand at 12.8 inches tall, and the Pro stands at 13.8 inches tall. They're all super easy to store in your kitchen drawers, so you don't have to worry about them taking up counter space. The wattage on the Nano is 750 watts, the Standard is 1000 watts, and the Pro has a whopping 60% more than the Nano at 1200 watts. Obviously, the more the power, the quicker the Precision Cooker will be able to cook your food. With a flow rate of 12 liters per minute, the Pro is able to precisely heat 100 liters of water with a lid, which is its max bath capacity. The flow rate refers to the pump speed, or how fast the cooker circulates water. Why is water circulation important? Circulating the water maintains an even temperature throughout the water bath. So having a good pump speed means you're less likely to have hot or cold spots in your water bath, and your food will be cooked evenly. For both the Standard and the Nano, the flow rate is 8 liters per minute, and its max capacity is 15 to 19 liters of water. When it comes to precision, all 3 of these models have it. With the Standard and Nano models, you are going to get within 0.1 degrees Celsius or 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit of your target temperature. And with the Pro, you can get within 0.05 degrees Celsius and 0.09 degrees Fahrenheit, which means no matter what you're making, it's going to turn out perfect. Both the Pro model and the Standard model have Wi-Fi connectivity, so you're able to control your sous vide precision cooker right from your phone, anywhere that has a Wi-Fi signal. With the Anova app, which is available for both Apple and Android, you can monitor your meal, adjust temperature, or even find a fun recipe to try out. On the Nano model, you only get Bluetooth connectivity, so you won't be able to control your device from your phone unless it's in range and connected via Bluetooth. All the models have manual time and temperature controls as well if you don't want to use the app to control them, but only the Pro has a touch screen. When it comes to on-device controls, the Pro model has a display for current and target temperatures and timer, a separate display for start and stop, another for increasing or decreasing time and temperature, and a final one for the wireless connectivity indicator. On the Standard and Nano models, you get one single display that you can toggle through to get to all of these same settings. The design on all models is tailored for long-lasting durability. The Pro is made from stainless steel, aluminum, and water-resistant electrical components, and the Standard and Nano are made from stainless steel and polycarbonate. The Pro and the Standard both have an adjustable and detachable clamp to make it easy to attach your device to any container, and the Nano has a fixed clamp. The Pro is going to be your most expensive since it has the most power, then the Standard, and the Nano will be the least expensive. If you're single or cooking for a couple, the Nano is going to be perfect for you. The Standard version is ideal for families of 4 to 6 people, and the Pro works great for larger parties of more than 6 people. These Anova Sous Vide precision cookers are a reliable option and aren't overly complicated, which makes them perfect for beginners. If you have any other questions about the Anova Sous Vide precision cookers, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. Go on, get to cooking like a pro. C'est la vie. I'll see you next time.